Got that sauce in it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. I've missed you guys on here. It's been a minute since I filmed a tutorial and I'm back with another one, you guys. This one is a DIY box braids, medium box braids with curly tips, you guys. I am absolutely in love with this hairstyle. So I'm starting with my hair already washed and slightly blow dried, and I section my hair in this pattern just to make the work a little bit easier. Now let me lay a disclaimer out there, you guys. If you are here for perfect partings, then maybe this video is not for you, because I'm going to disturb your eyes with imperfect partings, you guys. I am the absolute worst. I think I'm getting better, but I'm not there yet, so bear with me. The partings are not in any way perfect, okay? Yeah, now that I have that out there, let's just get on with the braiding. So right before braiding my hair, I apply some hair oil, and I also go in with the Let's Jam Condition and Shine Gel, just so that my hair can be somewhat tamed underneath those braids. And I found out that this helps also to keep my hair moisturized, because what this gel does is that it also conditions your hair. Because I found out that when I took down these braids, you guys, my hair was not dry at all. It wasn't dry at all. So I really appreciated that. This hairstyle is just so perfect for the summertime, for back to school season. I mean, it's just braid and go. Like, I absolutely loved this style while I had it on. You guys, whenever I do box braids, I always do this old-fashioned crisscross with the braiding hair. I don't know. I think I picked this from the times when I saw people braiding hair while growing up. Although now I think people do it much differently, I think. But this was the only way I knew how to do box braids until I discovered YouTube. So what I just do is I crisscross two sections of braiding hair, one slightly larger than the other, just so that when they come together, because two are going to form one while two other sections are going to stand alone. So at this point, the two small sections come together to form just about the same size as the other two sections. I don't know if that makes sense, but you guys just make sure that one section is slightly larger than the other section that you're going to crisscross. I'll be showing you more in details in the coming clips. You guys, I think I must have braided my hair for the entire day. I literally started braiding my hair right after having breakfast in the morning on that Sunday, and I found I was still braiding my hair till about 6 p.m. I think. Yeah, 6 to 7. I literally spent the whole day braiding my hair whilst watching my favorite Telemundo series, you guys. So it didn't feel like a chore to me, although I felt a little bit exhausted afterwards. So guys, I braided and I braided and I braided, and right now I'm about to show you how I did crisscross the braiding hair while braiding. So now that I'm done braiding, I'm now going to brush the tips that are not braided and then plait it together into chunky braids before adding them into the hot water to create the curly tips. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe below, leave me a huge thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends. And I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.